Good morning, you guys. Okay, so we're live already on Facebook, and we're going to go live on Instagram here in a second. What we're doing is our lip kit or lip bundle, and well, I'm going to use the entire lip bundle. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. We can do the lip kit instead of the lip bundle. Yes, baby. So the entire lip bundle is actually going to include our lip scrub here. And this helps like take off all the crap that's on your lips. Now it does have like a light fruity smell and taste. Nothing too crazy or anything. It's like a tropical fruit, and it's really good. So I use this to take away any of the crap that's on your lips. Dry skin, crusties, anything like this. Now this is our lip mask. Yeah. You found tires? Yeah. That's cool. This is our lip mask. This helps heal your lips as well. Not just because of the scrub, but mostly because like you're going through dry times, like the winter time, or it's just because your lips are so dry, it heals it. This has avocado oil in it, and it's so good as well. Okay. Let that settle in for a minute. So that is on our first part of our lip bundle. And then our lip kit is literally going to be a lip liner, a liquid lip, and a lip gloss of your choice, whatever you want to do. So today what we're going to use is the shade Personable, and we're going to just line the lips. You okay, George? He has like congestion. Are you okay? Okay. He has allergies like so bad, you guys. Alright, and then we're gonna do Dirty Chai. I don't like that. I'll mix it real quick. Yeah. Okay, so all right. Alright, so Dirty Chai is for the liquid lip, or you can choose from a lipstick of your choice. Now I did use a lipstick yesterday, so today we are using a liquid lip. And then next we are also going to go in with a lucrative lip gloss, and I'm actually going to use I guess I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use like our little mini lip gloss trio right here. Now this entire lip gloss right here comes together. So I'm using the shade Polar Espresso, and this is a really pretty like brown lip gloss, and it has like really pretty reflex. Alright, so this is literally it, you guys. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. I would be happy to help you. I'm really sorry for the background noise. It is George going through his toy chest. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you guys need help with choosing what shade you want, please let me know as well. But I have to fix my sock. But I hope you all have a happy Tuesday, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.